Einkommensteuer, called income tax in English, is a direct tax levied by the state on income in Germany. All natural persons have to pay it. The counterpart of this is so-called corporate income tax, which legal entities, primarily companies, pay from their earnings. After filing an income tax return, each taxpayer receives an income tax assessment from the tax office. In this income tax notice, it is stated whether one has to pay tax or even gets tax refunded and in what amount. This is the income tax assessment, and as you can see here, the first row of numbers in the table shows how much tax you owe. The second row of numbers shows the amount you have already paid. So the client has paid 2,680 euros from 20,000 euros, which is the result of 41,000 minus the 21,000 of income tax. The same applies to solidarity surcharges, being 1,123, being the result of 2,287 minus 1,164, and the amount that was paid by the client being 144 euros. From both rows of numbers, you get the remaining amounts. So either you have to pay taxes, being therefore underpaid, or the tax office will transfer money back to you, therefore having too much paid. And just to be sure and to be careful, there's interest, there are late payment surcharges called Verspätungszuschlag, and solidarity surcharges. What you have here is the amount that you still haven't paid off, being the 17,741 euros, the 939 euros, 266 euros, and the 979 euros. And those get split up into two sections. One is the amount that you have to pay immediately, being the 1,714 euros, 59 euros, 150 euros, and the 97.74 euros, and the amount that you have to pay until 2021, as you can see here, being 16,027 euros, 880 euros, 116 euros, and 881.48 euros. There are also prepayments that must be made for the year 2021 and 2022. So as you can see here, you do not have to make advance payments for March if there is no amount given. If there isn't anything given here, it means that there aren't any payments that you have to make. But looking at the other months, for example, 10th of June or the 10th of September, you have to pay those specific amounts.